I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact link or payload you want encoded and why people will scan it. Once decided, shorten long URLs to improve scanning reliability and aesthetics, and test the destination in a private browser to avoid cached redirects. Make sure you have any branding or color constraints, and decide if you need tracking parameters. Now that your final link is verified and concise, you're ready to pick a QR generator and set encoding options for the next step. You paste the final URL into the generator and choose an error correction level. Higher correction helps damaged prints but increases data density. Once set, pick output format, SVG for scalability, PNG for easy use, and set resolution and margins to ensure scanning. If adding a logo or colors, reduce size and keep strong contrast so scanners read reliably. After customizing, generate a test file, then scan it with 2 different devices to confirm the visual changes didn't break functionality. You now verify the QR in real conditions. Scan with iOS and Android devices and try different apps to confirm consistent behavior. Next, place the QR on its final medium, screen, poster, or product, and print a proof at actual size to check scannability and contrast. If scans fail, simplify design elements, increase error correction, enlarge the code, or use a plain high-contrast version. Once stable, distribute your files, and optionally track scans with UTM tags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.